Hi everyone, my name is Valentine and together with Sheetgo I'm going to show you all the cool stuff that you can do with spreadsheets. So today I want to show you our inventory template by Sheetgo. This is a fairly easy template. It's inside the spreadsheet, so no login required whatsoever. We made this spreadsheet for you with pre-made formulas, a dashboard, and an easy way to check your items in and out. So as you can see, we have the instructions tab here. We have this in all of our templates for you to read through if you're stuck on what to do, how to use this template, and some tips and some extra information. So you can read through this, but I'll show you in this video, of course. We simply start by going into the check-ins tab. Of course, we have some sample data here. You can simply remove all of that and fill out your own. So you check an item in, for example, on the 17th of December, and the stock keeping unit is this. The name is Fruit Lords, and you do 24. You check in 24 items. There we go. We simply fill this out. And that's it. In the checkout, you do the same. We have, as you can see here, we have the data of your check-in items. You don't want to touch this. As you can see here, we have an array formula in column C and in column E. So this will automatically bring the information from your check-in into this spreadsheet. So let me show you how it works. You simply fill out on what day you checked out an item, and then you choose what stock keeping unit it has, and as you can see, the formula will automatically change it right here. So whenever you want to check out a new item, type in the date. There we go. Choose a stock keeping unit. There we go. And it will automatically fill out the item name and the unit of measure, and then you simply fill out how many items you're checking out, and that's it. Your current inventory list will also automatically update. As you can see here, this is a protected sheet, so you don't have to edit anything here. Everything will be automatically calculated. So you see here which ones are oversold, for example, but it's easier to monitor in your dashboard. So here you have your dashboard. Let me show you it in total. There we go. You can put your logo here to personalize. You see your total items in stock. The top out items, so the ones that you have in stock the most and out of stock as well. Your sold out items, and here your oversold. So this is something to take a good look at, of course, to not be selling stuff that you no longer have in stock. Volumes of items per day, and your average checkout items per weekday. So how many you check out on a Monday, Tuesday, and so on. So this is how it works, really simple. You fill out your check-in, your checkout, and the template does all the work for you to calculate how many items you have in stock and what's the story of your stock. So this is how you easily manage small inventories with Sheetgo in a Google Sheets. Now I want to tell you that we also can automate this system to be more collaborative and to have a better overview of your check-in and check-out, and also, of course, to connect your inventory, for example, with your purchase requests, and have the information from that spreadsheet automatically sent into this one, into your check-in, so that it automatically updates as well. You don't have to do anything manually. So we have this as well for you. If you're interested in this fully automated inventory, you can go to the link in the description and we'll be happy to help you further to automate and improve your inventory. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.